Hey everyone, what I love the most about our crush grinds is the fact, number one, they're glass. They allow you to buy all of your spices in bulk, and when you crush and grind your spices, it not only brings that beautiful aroma, but it also enhances the flavor because all of those oils are coming through. Here's what I love. Take that BPA-free plastic lid off, and the brilliance is in the grinder. This is a ceramic grinder, so it's not gonna rust. You don't have to worry about it. All of these pieces go right in the dishwasher. Super easy to load, again, because it's that glass. And so many people have great flavored salts, peppers, hot pepper flakes, so many different fun things, and you can even make your own. But what I love the most about it is once you screw this on and you put this lid back on, you now have the ability to go ahead and do something really coarse, or you close that and you do something really fine. Either way, you're gonna love these, and they go in the dishwasher if you wanna go ahead and clean them. But I promise you, once you get these home and start using them, you're gonna love them.